the mechanic.
Video, you already know. Me and my daughter, say hi, Sandy. Jeez. We are going to get the Type R some goodies. This video is going to be chopped up, obviously, because the parts are not all going to get here at the same time. However, stay tuned for the whole video, and I really would appreciate if you guys subscribed, liked, and left a comment. Let's go. Say hi, mamas. Yee. Sheesh, the parts have gotten here. Mishimoto intercooler, let's go. That's part of it. That's part of the setup, guys. Now we're just waiting on the Invidia R400 exhaust to come in, and yep, put the things together and see how it turns out. Thank you. Alright guys, so this is the morning where we're actually gonna go get the stuff installed. The stuff is here more than ever. Thanks again for supporting my videos and staying along with the stuff I do. Today we're back at it with another banger. So the two things that are going to be done are, it's going to be a Invidia R400 exhaust on the Type R and the Mishimoto upgraded intercooler kit that's going to be installed as well. Stay tuned for it, and hope you like the video. Thanks again for the support. God bless. Let's go. Alright, we got it right here, guys. Exhaust. The Mishimoto kit right there will be installed shortly. Sheesh. There she is. So we got the parts in here, nicely tucked in. Let's go. Sheesh. Now we're gonna be headed to the shop, but before that, I'm gonna give you guys a little cold start on the stock exhaust, which is right here, as you see, stock. Give you a nice little cold start on that, and yep, and we'll take it from there, guys. Let's go. That's it, guys. As you can tell, it's very quiet, very quiet, very toned down. So hope you guys like the outcome of this. Obviously it's also getting another modification at the same time, but stay tuned for the rest of the video. Sheesh. Alright guys, we're here. Sheesh. Pulling up. Gonna get this work. AGN. This is the JDM Palace. We are here. Alright guys, we made it to the shop. Here are the stuff. We're waiting. Sheesh. The dyno. Got it. Here's sitting nice. Definitely. It's gonna be something to look forward to. Sleepers here, baby. Let's go. But yep, this is where the magic's gonna happen. And then after, she'll be on there. Let's go. Let's go. Sheesh. Alright guys. Thanks again for all the support, man. I could not do this without y'all. Make sure y'all ever need some help, come to this man right here, my boy Eric. He'll get you right. And yep, so just don't sleep on this car, because it's gonna be faster than a Ferrari. Just kidding. Alright guys, let's go. Let's go. So we're gonna get that intercooler out, way better. And then looking good. Nice. Pesa. Está un hook aquí. Alright guys, look at this, the stock mid pipe and then the upgraded one. You can see the difference. It's nice, a lot different. See, yep. Alright guys, this is the part of the puzzle. Connect up to there. Hinge. This looks nice. Check it out, guys. It's right here. Looking nice. All the way equal. Beautiful. Alright guys, we got the front bumper off. That's for the intercooler portion. That's going to be coming off to install that bad boy over there, but this is how she looks now. Bumper. It's coming along, guys. Stay tuned for the end product. Sheesh. Alright. Official serial number Mishimoto. Let's go. Looking clean. Goodbye, old and ugly one. New. This is the kit right here, guys. Look at that. Lifetime warranty. Let's go. Quality parts. Sheesh. Check out the difference, guys. That's horrible. No way. Yes. Installed. You already know. The M is not for Mishimoto. It's for my name, Marco. Let's just say that's what it's for, alright? It's a coincidence, and we're gonna go with it. M for Marco. Roger. Look at the difference. So nice. Quality. So nice, guys. Let's go. Alright, guys. We removed this, the battery intake. This is where the battery would be located. It's being removed. The intake removed. And the part that's going to be installed is this one right here. It's right there. Alright guys, the part is installed, ready to go. Much difference. Looks so nice too. Shout out to the man right here. Let's go. This guy has so much knowledge, very smart man. If you ever need some guidance while you put in the work, you know, come here, you know. Alright guys, that's the finished product. Beautiful. Look at that. Damn. Clean. Good job, nice. Nicely tucked in. You gotta put everything back together, you already know. Look at that. Nice. Nice. Check it out. Look at that. Woo-hoo. Beautiful. Alright guys, everything's installed, obviously. Right now I'm gonna do a startup. It's not a real cold start because obviously the car's already been on prior. I'm gonna do a small little clip right now, but tomorrow I'll finish the video for y'all with a true cold start. But yeah, check it out. Sounds pretty nice. I like guess it sounds pretty nice, I guess. I like it. I like that deep tone. But tomorrow will be the real clip. Stay tuned for that. Finish the video for y'all. Thank you. Alright guys, today is the morning after the installation. I will be giving you guys a true cold start right now, and y'all let me know what you think. This will conclude the video, but I'll leave you with a nice little clip. Let's go. Alright, just hold on, I'm gonna turn it off. Bro,
that bitch loud. But it's deep and it's just fucking sounds nice, bro.
For real. Came out nice, guys. That's it. Can't really tell you much. Sounds nice as shit. I'll give you a nice little view of the front of the intercooler. Mishimoto intercooler right there. It looks clean as well. So overall,
shit live, bro.
The mechanics.